Year 2, I hope you're okay today. What we are going to be doing today is, this is our phonics lesson, and we are going to be recapping on our Phase 5 phonics. We're going to be talking about what a suffix is again. We're going to introduce the est suffix, and we're going to apply the est suffix in our work, okay? So let's start with our Phase 5 flashcards, okay? So remember, I say them, then you say them, okay? I say oi, you say. I say you say. I say ow, you say. I say oh, you say. I say oh, you say. I say ooh, you say. I say I, you say. I say e, you say. I say a, you say. I say oh, you say. I say I, you say. I say you say. I say you say. I say a, you say. I say you say. I say or, you say. I say e, you say. I say e, oh, upside down. I say e, you say. I say you say. And then we're back at the beginning. Okay. So can we talk about what the suffix is? We spoke about it last time. I've got this page up here. What is a suffix? A suffix is, what is it? Shall I see if I can write it with this pen here? A suffix is a letter or a group of, oh, it's gone funny. A group of, is a letter or a group of letters that go at the end of the word, don't they? Oh, sorry, this isn't working very well, is it? That does not look like an a or a r. Really, does it? Here too. The suffix is a letter or a group of letters that go at the end of a word. Well done. We've already looked at the ed suffix. We've looked at the suffix. We've looked at the ing suffix, ing. We've looked at ed, ing. I think that's it. So today we're going to look at the est suffix, and it's got est at the end of that. So let's have a look at this. We use the to compare two things. Do you remember we spoke about that before? So we might go large, larger. So we've got here the word small, smaller. We use and s to compare more than two things. So look here, we've got the word small, smaller, smallest. Can you hear it? Is it smallest? We don't say small s, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. The rules for adding est are the same as for adding okay? So the rules when we add est are the same as when we add the okay? So let's have a think about some of these rules that we might have had for and we will apply them for est as well, okay? So let's have a look here. Add the suffix est to these words. Okay. So the word tall, here. Let's read these. Let's read the words first, the root words first. Tall, loud. Oh, I can see the ow diagraph there. I underline that actually. Ow, loud, dark, dark, light, l, I, t, safe, s, a, f, fine, f, I, n, rude, r, oo. Oh, it's gone funny as my pen again. R, oo, d. The A split diagraph there, isn't it? Brave, b, a. It's been silly. Let's forget that. So we're going to add the est suffix to these words, but first of all we need to think of the rules that we had with the suffix, didn't we? Okay, so here we've got the word tall, and it's got two L's. So it's already got two consonants together. Okay, so we need to then, if it's got two together, we can just add the est. Let's just add the est here. We could just add the est. Tall, tallest, tallest. Let's have a look at the word loud. Loud. Now we have got the ow is making the, can we see these all end in consonants, don't they? So the rule is if they end in a consonant, we can just add E, S, T. What about, so you carry on doing the ones for this side. What is the rule for this side? Well, they all end in a consonant, don't they? So that means we can just add the EST, the est suffix. Let's have a look at this side now. So pause that if you need to get on with this, and then we'll look at this side. Let's have a look at this. These all end with, let's have a look, E, 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 E. Do you think we need to add EST at the end? So if we add EST, do we think this looks right? E, S, S. This pen is annoying me. I'm going to be using my flip chart from tomorrow. I've brought it home. So I'm going to get that out of the car and use it tomorrow because this is annoying me. EST. Do we think that looks right? No, I don't agree either. I think we only need to add ST. Safest, finest, rudest, bravest. If it ends in an E, just add the ST. Okay? If it ends in E, just add the ST. Can you finish writing those words now? Then I'm going to give you some more words. Some words that are in our new piece of writing. Some suffixes with the EST, the S suffix, are going to go in our new writing, so I want to practice those as well. Oh, so Mrs. Cockram has got two words here, and they both have a different rule. Can you write these words with the est suffix on the end of this root word using the rules that we know? So one of them ends with an E, one of them ends with a G. You add the suffix now to what you think. I'm going to type it in because trying to write it in. But pause that first and then we're going to add them. Well done if you did it like that. So because it ended in E, we just added ST to end with that S suffix, didn't we? If it ended with a G, so it's a consonant, we needed to add EST here at the end, didn't we? So if yours look like that, that is amazing. What I would like you to do now is to write a sentence. You should have space just underneath here. So there is some space underneath this page that you've got for your phonics to write a sentence, okay? I know it says English lesson 3, but that's just watching a video there, so you've got space on this page, okay? So I would like you to write, elephants are the largest animal. Elephants are the largest animal on the land. Elephants are the largest. They're not the land. No, elephants are the largest land animal. Elephants are the largest land animal. 6 words. Elephants are the largest land animal. 6 words. See if you can do that. If you want an extra challenge, you could see if you could write a sentence with the word longest in it, okay? They are 2 words that will be coming up in our writing at the moment, and I want us to practice those as well, okay? You also have these words as well to read today in your pack, okay? So point to a word and see if you can read it, okay? Have a lovely day, year 2. See you later. Hope you get on with that, okay? Goodbye.